Hello friends, this is Prema from Digital Spiritual Space. Today we are going to talk about the importance of yoga. Why yoga? Yoga at this point of time is very important. And top of that, it is indoor. In this pandemic situation where we are not able to go outside and do anything like gymming or sporting activities or running in a group or something, it is really not appreciable at this point of time. But then yoga, you don't have to do anything. You all you need is your one yoga mat and yourself to do yoga. But the benefits are multifold. It is infinite. When you do yoga, it works on all the levels, all the pancha koshas. It works on all the five bodies. So your well-being is at the optimum. You're physiologically, psychologically, emotionally, spiritually, you're complete when you do yoga. Why not when you're doing gymming or other activities? Whereas when you're doing gymming and other activities like running or doing excessive dynamic exercises, you're tiring your body. You're doing it with your open eyes. You're actually exerting. Your exhaustion of energy is taking place. But when you are doing yoga, in the most poses, you actually close your eyes and do. You are concentrated on your breath. You actually watch your inhalation, exhalation, and you focus and concentrate on the asana, how you stand, because you need a lot of balance. So here the breath, the body and the mind are in sync. Sthiram Sukham Hasanam. When you're steady and when you're in relaxed state and your asana is perfect, it is complete. And most of the asanas, since you are closing your eyes, you are conserving energy. Whereas in the dynamic activities, you are exhausting the energy. So here your action and relaxation takes place side by side. Once you do the asana, you relax. Once you do the asana, you relax. So you have that action and relaxation going together, and closing the eyes and doing the asana. It is a motion. It is a meditation and motion. Physical and mental health go hand in hand when you are doing yoga. So only a sound mind will have a sound body. Yoga practices is good for physiological health and psychological health. And at this point of time, we need both. So it is to reduce our stress, anxiety and fear about all the things going around in the world and this unprecedented situation. I think yoga is a must, from children to the old age people, everyone. And top of that, it is like it is born in our culture, our origin, and we have spread it across to the world. From our children to the older people, we have to practice yoga, whether it is sitting at home doing it online with a teacher. If somebody in the house is already practicing, the rest of the people can join and do it. And the benefits of yoga is immense. The subject is very vast. It is just the beginning, just the spark to let everyone start yoga. This is just a spark to start yoga, to know that it works on all the levels. It works more than anything else. Our authentic yoga serves the purpose of a complete well-being of a human being. So there is nothing like yoga. If you are in poor health or if you have any acute illnesses, first consult your doctor and then you need to start your yoga practices. Yoga. In Jaranda Samhita, there is a quote saying that the body invariably wears away like an unbaked earthen pot immersed in water. Therefore, the body should be conditioned by tempering it with the fire of yoga. So let us all practice yoga and be healthy. Let us start. Thank you. This is Prema from DSS.